So this is a very quick overview of the Insight Unity Risk module for SCGTS. We'll start off on the launcher page here, which we can customize for any user or role. As you can see, it has a modern flexible interface, and this is responsive to work with any device, PC, laptop, smartphone, etc. So if we head on over here to the dashboard area, you can see the executive dashboard. There's a variety of widgets here that are available, and we can use any of these to visualize your data in any way that you choose. We're interested in the risk module, so we'll take a look here. This screen shows inherent versus residual risk, and you can see your risks at a glance and their persistence and velocity and revised score as a result of any mitigations you've implemented. If we click through to the mitigation page, you can choose your mitigation strategy. Tags here are useful for audits. In this case, we'll choose a limitation strategy for our risk, and you can see we've entered training, and we've assigned that to Mark. But we can add any number of controls and assign them to users. Just below, we can enter the result of that mitigation, which affects the impact, the score, and the likelihood. We can add some notes against that too. So if we head on back now, you'll notice this little alert here. That shows that we have a reviewed incident. Tapping on that takes us to the timeline where we can see the incident unfolding. Now these links are linked to resources which again are really useful for audit. On the subject of events, alerts and notifications are placed on a personal calendar, and this is a nice innovative drag and drop interface, and it supports all the typical views. So that's a very quick click through the system, but of course we can customize it to your needs.